Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can change your control settings on the Death Stranding game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Death Stranding game on your device, and once you are taken into the main menu, just go ahead and click on Options. From here you can change the controls for both your controller and your keyboard. Click on the controls where it says keyboard and mouse, and you can change your camera speed as well as sensitivity from here. To reassign your buttons, go into Key Assignments. Now you will see all of the controls that you can modify within your game. You can add up to 2 different controls for the same action. In order to make any change, just click on any button that you wish to customize, and you will be told to press the key that you wish to assign. You can press your desired key, and it will be changed right away. You can also go into the vehicle controls by pressing the Q or the E button within your keyboard. And once again, you can choose your desired controls for when you are using the vehicle. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to customize your control settings on the Death Stranding game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.